Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to change the app grid on your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to change the app grid, you need to firstly unlock your phone and go on your home screen. Right here, hold your finger on empty place until you will see this menu appear. Right here, choose wallpaper and style. After this, scroll down and click on this app grid. And right here you can see some options between which you can choose. And if you choose any of them, in few seconds you will see on this screen appear preview how it will look if you save the changes. For example, if you want to see bigger icons, you can choose 2x2 and it will be only 2 apps in one row. Or you can choose even smaller icons than the default, that will be 5 icons in a row like this. When you have chosen the comfortable grid for you, just simply click on this arrow right here to save the changes. And that's it, now the app grid is saved. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.